Well, totoo naman, marami nang mas matalino sa'yo, mas magaling sa'yo, mas maganda sa'yo, mas gwapo sa'yo, mas mayaman. Laging merong mas sa atin. But, their journey is different from yours. You have a totally different journey from these people. You can't just keep on comparing other people's journey from yours because you don't know their struggles to get to that place as well. Hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung paghihirap na pinagdaanan nila to get to that goal. You can't just say that mas magaling siya mas maganda kasi siya kaya siya mas mayaman. Hindi naman nasusukat yan dyan, guys. Nasa sayo talaga yan. It's on you kung anong magiging anong magiging kalabasan ng buhay mo. Hindi yan dahil merong mas, kasi laging merong mas. I'm here to remind you na hindi tayo perfectong tao. Laging merong mas magaling sa atin. Akala mo ba? Kapag may talent ka, ikaw lang meron nun? Ba't ako lang ba ang podcaster sa mundo? Damdam podcaster sa mundo. But I am my own person. I bring something to the table that other podcasters don't. And there are some things that other podcasters bring to the table that I can't. I can't do comedy. I can't do horror. These are the things that are not in my expertise, but that does not make me feel less than. That doesn't make it, hindi ibig sabihin nun, hindi rin ako magaling. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na wala rin akong ibubuga. No. It's just there are some things na hindi ko kaya gawin, but there are things that I can do, that I can also flourish, that I can also thrive. If you guys want to watch the full episode, just check us out on Spotify and my YouTube channel.